working on a 2017 GTI. It's one of our boys' cars. We're doing the lowering springs. So we're gonna remove them. To remove them, we gotta take the sway bar links off, which I removed the bolt, and loose all the wires and brake lines going to the hub here. We're gonna remove this bolt, and then there's 3 bolts down here that you gotta remove to pop that strut out, and also the ones on top there. It's mounted up there. Okay, so I removed the strut from the knuckle. That shit was a pain in the ass. So you can see, you gotta remove those bolts. You gotta remove the axle and all these wires. Same thing on the other side. Axle removed. Swivel removed and knuckle removed. So next step's taking them off from the top. Alright, so we take these pins out. You just remove with a little screwdriver. Pop right out. And then you access the 3 bolts on top. And I'm gonna take them off right now. Take off the springs now, put the lowering springs on. So you get some pliers, get a rag so you don't damage the cylinder down here. Make sure they're tight though. And you get a 21 millimeter with a swivel so you can get it out. Full spring. I like to put this in here first. Snap it back in. So, hand me the other spring. So this is the new spring. Make sure you put the more compressed side of the spring up. Make sure you keep it has a stopper on here, so it stops there, so you can't get that wrong. And then same thing, you drop it in there. Make sure you put it in there right. Then you put it back in here. This doesn't really matter how it goes because it just hits. It's a flat surface. You slide it in there. Make sure you can still go like that at the bottom. And for this, you can start. You push that on it. You can start the threads on it. A little bit. Now you compress it again, so that you can just make sure everything bolts up. Or you can tighten it like that too, but I like to compress it. Okay. Grab your tool again with the rag, vice grips. goes back on. Gotta remove the sway bar links. You got a 13 and a 13. Size 18 on both sides. So we're gonna use a third leg. Push it up, hold it in place. Load it. Take off this part right here, and we're gonna install it on here. Make sure you get it aligned to where that sign is. And it should just pop right in there. And then there's a slot right here. It's a stopper, so you gotta make sure it goes on there. Push it down. And put it up like this. And you use your third leg to bring it back up. Since it's right there, make it easy for us. You hit it? One side. There's the back spring. Lower his shit. What's your experience in Evolution Auto?
It was great, man. I asked you to come in this morning. You got me in right away, and you're done in like 3 hours.
There you go. There you go. Holla at me. Get them done. Shit looks tough.